How to get working Dunkin' Donuts promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Dunkin' promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Dunkin' Donuts. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. You can also check out this one website. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Dunkin' Donuts. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that 25% off, 15% off, 40% off, and many more. Here towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. After you get the code, make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Dunkin' Donuts. To use any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out other website. Let me check out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you can find tons of offers and deals for Dunkin' Donuts. Just scroll down and check out the offers. Click on the offer that you want to use. You will get the code and you can redeem that code. So this is how you can easily get working Dunkin' Donuts promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.